Fáilte Nasher, welcome back to the show. Now, Caroline Downey is with us today to share the perfect Mother's Day gift ideas, from must-have kitchen gadgets to home and beauty essentials. We have to take care of our mothers, Caroline, on this very, very special Sunday.
We do indeed, and we have some amazing products from SharkNinja, and I'm delighted to get started with this one that I would absolutely love myself, Dahi.
So is that a hint?
It is a hint.
OK, Zach.
Be watching,
yeah.
Zach. So it's the Speed Style Pro 5-in-1 high velocity hairdryer.
No, what does that do?
So it has 5 attachments, blow dries your hair, it gives you a salon finish at home, which is amazing. But the great thing about this is it doesn't damage your hair.
It doesn't?
Doesn't damage your hair. I'm not a natural blonde, Dahi, as you may not know.
What? Hang on a second here.
I know.
Fake news.
Fake news. So this is perfect for not damaging blonde hair as well, or any kind of hair for that matter. It has a scalp shield mode protection as well. So when you're blow drying your hair, root to tip, it looks after it,
Perfect.
basically.
Lovely.
Yeah, so it's amazing.
So there's one main part, and then all the other gadgets go into it as well. So that's fierce handy.
Fierce handy. And it has a portable bag to bring with you as well. So if you are on the go, you can bring it all with you.
Yeah.
Works great, but it gives you that salon finish at home, which is amazing.
Yeah.
That's what we all want.
And it's not bulky either.
It's not bulky
if
either.
You're travelling.
And it is, and it all kind of comes together. So, but the great thing about it as well is frizzies, and that's what we really want as the ladies and as gentlemen as well.
Frizzies.
Frizzies. We don't want our hair sticking out like we just got out of bed.
Yeah.
So frizzies all the way.
There's a new one for me, Caroline.
There's a new one for you.
Where are we off to next?
So next we're off to the straightener. So this is the Flex Fusion 5-in-1
Is this
styling.
it here?
Yes.
Oh my God, look.
So this is our styler and dryer, straightener. So people think about a straightener, it just straightens your hair. But this actually curls your hair, it smooths your hair, it volumizes your hair. Again, it's heat resistant, it doesn't damage your hair. Frizzies again, we don't want frizzy hair.
It's an all-in-one, Caroline.
All in one, yeah, it's amazing. And as I said, we don't want frizz in our hair. The great thing about this as well, which I love, it's for wet hair and for dry hair. So when you're washing your hair in the morning, you use this, you straighten it, you curl it, whatever way you want to do. But then the next morning, rather than having to wash your hair again, we use this to restyle our dry hair.
Restyle
Revolutionised.
And there's a lock here as well.
And there's a lock there as well. And again, the great thing about this, you have a portable bag with you, so you don't burn a floor, or you don't if you push it down anywhere.
That's where
it's still hot.
That's where the dads come in. That's where the dads start worrying about gifts for Mother's Day.
Yes.
So nothing will be burnt at all here.
Nothing will be burnt at all.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Perfect.
And again, it comes with lots of tools. It has a rotating nozzle as well, and this is great for when you are blow drying your hair, root to tip, it grabs onto it nice and casually and gives you that smooth finish, which is amazing. So I love this product as well.
So if a son landed home to Mum with one of these, Mum would be impressed.
Zach 1, Zach 2. Done.
Right, Caroline, where are we off to?
Off to next, we have the Power Blender. Okay, so this is our Power Blender. This is for a single or for a double. So it can be made for a family or it can be made for individual as well. This Power Blender cracks ice, it cracks nuts, it cracks hard vegetables, it cracks soft vegetables. And the great thing about this is it senses what's going into it.
What do you mean it senses what goes into it?
So basically, if ice goes into it, it senses that it's ice. If a large amount of product goes into it, it senses that it is a large amount of product, and it adjusts its settings accordingly. Wow.
So you don't have to do any of that?
Not a thing, no. So you press the button, you put it all in, you press the button, you're ready to go. Yes, so it's amazing.
I've never heard the likes of it in my life.
I know, yeah. So it's a combination of a jug blender and a smoothie maker. That will make you cocktails, that will make you mocktails, that will make purees, that will make sauces.
Can you use this along with it then?
That then, you pour it into it on the go. So you make it in the morning, you are running out to work, make your product into that, and away you go.
And you just swap them out?
Yeah, so you have the blender, but you can also use to blend this size as well. So this is the single one, and then that's for
Isn't that fierce handy as well?
family. Yeah, it's really, really good. Love that.
And you get a few more things there along with them as well.
Yes.
They're for the car.
They're for the
gym.
For the gym. And the great thing about that as well is it's really dishwasher friendly as well, which is fantastic.
Oh, Caroline, what's this?
So this is our portable blender. So this is a blender that you can use on the go. So this you plug in. Yes. So this you plug in. This is your battery. Okay. You get 25 blends out of that. You're bringing that to the gym with you, you're bringing that to the office with you. So rather than having the one that you plug into the wall, you have the one that you charge.
Yeah, you wouldn't look cool now in the gym with one of these.
No, it probably wouldn't fit. No, it probably wouldn't fit.
But you would with one of the ones we're seeing on screen there.
Exactly, yeah. So you just press the button and then away you go.
Off she goes.
And I just find even with something like this, you bring that with you, but you want to keep it cool when you're on the go, whereas you bring that with you, have all your, if you're going into work or the work office or whatever it is, and that's a fantastic one as well. And it's small and portable, and again, you throw it in the washing machine.
Handy.
Or the dishwasher.
Okay, what have we here in front?
So here we have the pet vacuum cleaner.
Hang on. A pet vacuum cleaner.
Mother's Day present.
Are you setting me up here now?
Mother's Day present.
Is this for the pets? You don't hoover the pets,
No,
obviously.
you don't hoover the pets up there. And I was laughing because I was like, would we give a vacuum cleaner for a Mother's Day present? Absolutely. Why not? Because at the end of the day, I have 2 puppies at home. They have black hair, and you are cleaning up after them most of the day. The hoover that I have, or the vacuum cleaner that I have, you push it forward, the hair goes up, and when you pull it back, the hair nearly comes back out again. So with this one,
it doesn't happen with that.
It's forward and backwards.
Yeah.
So it double sucks, and it senses to the amount of hair, it senses to corners, so it kind of rolls around with you as you're working with it.
It is a pet one, but also you can use it for every day as well.
Absolutely,
okay, it's not especially for the pets.
Not especially
but
for the pets.
It does do that for you as well.
No, it is, and it's brilliant. And as I said, it senses everything on the floor, and it is extra suction as well. So if the hair is really into the carpet, sucks it up.
No, cut that short. This looks cool.
So this is our fan, okay? So the great thing about this fan is, and I know we're coming out of winter and spring and all of that, but do you remember last summer and you'd be sitting at home and you're thinking, oh, I'd love to have a fan in the house.
Yeah.
This is the fan you need. It is a portable fan. It has up to 24 hours in charge, and it has a pedestal, or it can either go on a table as well, which is fantastic.
Yeah. And it's light.
And it's light, but it also has a mist in it.
A mist?
Yes. So if you're sitting outside having your barbecue, you get feeling a bit hot, you put the mist in it, and you have this gorgeous mist on your face that's not too heavy. It's just a nice little mist on your face. So as I said, that's a pedestal, but you can also put it on the table as well, which is brilliant.
Oh my God. The mist.
Yeah.
I'll have to read into that.
So you get it now, and then you have it then for the warm days.
Perfect. Now, Caroline Show.
So Caroline Show. So this is our air fryer. It's an all-in-one. It's a crisp air fryer. So it air fries, it crisps, it heats up, and it bakes as well. So this is an amazing product. I think we all fell in love with this as soon as we started looking up about it. It has our glass container underneath here, where so you can see the food being cooked.
I kind of like that.
I do too.
I like that.
Yeah, because other, air fryers that we have, you have to kind of look into it, keep looking into it. Is it ready? Is it ready? Where this one, you can see inside it, there's 2 sizes. So we have this particular size, and then inside that we have a smaller size. So you can cook for the family, or you can cook for yourself. The great technology is that it does 4 things in one, basically. You have your different things up here, as I said.
Air fry, warm.
Yeah, roast and re-crisp. So if you think about re-crisping something, you're thinking, oh, will it be dry if I re-crisp it? It's as fresh or nearly re-crisping it.
So this will keep all the moisture. It won't dry out because of this.
Exactly, yeah. So it's an amazing product. And the great thing about this as well is with these containers, the top comes off. You don't want to use everything. And you can pop it in the fridge then for later.
Oh,
bring it back out, pop it back on,
that
crisp away
handy.
again. Yeah, so it's fantastic.
And finally, Caroline, Caroline Show.
Caroline Show. So that is our juicer. So the great thing about this juicer is the pulp thing. So I've used juicers in the past, and when you put the vegetables in and you put the fruit in, you nearly have to, look it out of course, stick the spoon in to try and take the pulp out of it and keep it going again. This is simple and easy. You put it in the top, it comes out through. There's a double pulp thing there, so if you want like more pulp or less pulp,
so
you can pop that on.
Adjust the pulp.
You can
the
adjust
pulpiness.
the pulpiness, exactly.
Yeah.
So you can use it that way, and then you just have your juicer then. And again, it comes in a nice little pourable, non-slip, and away you go with that. So it's another great. Yeah. So they're just all. I don't know which one to pick. I'm not sure. I'll have to get my list together.
Well, poor old Zach now, let's say, has he got money saved up?
The pocket money, we'll have to talk to him about the pocket money. But no, they're all great products, as I said, from Ninja and Shark. And they're all really good because they're versatile. But the technology from this company is just phenomenal.
Well, this thing tells you what's inside it.
Well, this thing tells you what's inside it. And again, the technology, and it's just they listen to their audience. So they get feedback, and the audience says, this didn't work for this reason, or this didn't work for that reason. And they listen, and they make the changes accordingly. So I think it's just, I'm really excited.
A big shout out to the moms as well.
Yes, so my own mother Phil, who we all love our mothers and we all say they're the best in the world, but mine is the best in the world. So a big happy Mother's Day to my mom.
Okay, so definitely one of these going to Phil, I think.
Yeah, I think I'll hover over here.
Okay, hover over there. So Caroline Downey, thank you very much. Always great to have you on the show.
Thank you.
No, Maura.